Today I'm going to show you how to change the codes to the Sterling range of key minders. So you'd like to zoom in. So when they come, they're already preset to 4 zeros. So we open it up, take our gubbins out, we need to fit it. Then we should see, from the inside, we see this rubber cap. So we pull the rubber cap off, push the arrow across and up, following the diagram. Then we flip it over, make sure we don't shut it at this stage. If you do, it will deadlock, you will not be able to use it again. So we keep our fingers inside. Now we set the code. So off this one, I'm just going to set it to 1958. And I flip the lever back down, rubber cap on, and there we go. That's now sorted. So now, I shut it on that, it will open. Try it again, the 4 zeros. It will open. Thank you.